Why not try being patient with you, Arinze Chukwu Ozo Nabike? Why not save my soul and give me eternal rest?
Papa, what are you talking about? I've never wronged you. I searched for you all through the period you went missing. I did everything a good son would do for his father when you were around. I mourned you for 6 years, Papa. What else would you want me to do that I didn't do for you? Why do you make me feel bad before my sisters and the whole world? Why do you make me feel like I'm a demon? Why are you tormenting me?
Save my soul, Arinze Chukwu.
Ochendu, 1. Ochendu is our guinea. Asim Ochendu is our what? Our man. Sigodi Ochendu is our what? Our man. So let's toast to more progress, more structures,
more life, more business opportunities, more greatness. Yes. On that note, I want to extend my profound gratitude to my bosom friend here.
Without any official.
He has been a strong pillar. He is the structure. When we talk about the structure, that's it. He is very, very instrumental to the success we celebrate. And to you, my brothers, who have stood by me through the years, who have shown me immense brotherhood and support. This is a toast to greater things for all of us. More life, more blessings. Yes. More structure.
More contracts. More contracts.
Enjoy yourselves. You're welcome. Welcome to my home once again. Let the party begin.
No. It's like there's something we are forgetting. You know we are this one. Where are the guests? That's why I'm taking this like this. Where are the guests? Because without doing what?
Ochendo is our.
meaning of this rubbish? Eh? What is the meaning of this?
No, what is the meaning of this rubbish? What are you doing in my father's plot of land? I'm talking to you, talk to me back. Are you deaf? What are you doing in my father's plot of land?
And what is that supposed to mean, Chinyanum? What is that supposed to mean?
What are you doing here? Don't you know you're trespassing? Huh?
And so?
Ah! Hey, Okulide, please. I do not want trouble. Carry your boys out of my father's plot of land right now. If you don't want to see the other side of me, carry them out right now.
Nonyalum, if you must know, the only surviving elder and the only man in this family, what stops me from just taking a little from my late brother's land and join my own just for this season?
A little, why you see there? Where did you take permission from? Did you tell me before taking a little out of my father's piece of land? Did you consult me? Huh?
Hey. Ude. Wait. I, Ude Uso, should take permission from you, my late brother's daughter, a woman for that matter. Now, if you don't keep your mouth shut, I will ask this spell now to deal with you and teach you a lesson of your life. In Apala. No, don't worry. Now I will tell you that what a man can do, a woman can do it even far better than a man. If you don't take these boys out, I swear to God, all of you will look for your leg. I'm telling you now, take your boys out of my father's plot of land. You know, now I know why my late brother did not send you to school. Why, what am I even explaining myself to an illiterate like you? Now I know why my brother decided to send your younger sister to school. Because when you came, this is getting out, all the empty. All the empty.
I am an illiterate.
I am an illiterate.
Biko, come out from my father's plot of land. If you don't want to see how an illiterate can treat an elderly man, come out from my father's plot of land.
What will happen?
Oh, what will happen?
Yes, what will happen?
You want to know what will happen? Just hold on and wait for me. No, just wait for me, eh? You see the other side of me now.
Just keep standing. More illiterate, eh? More illiterate. More illiterate. Come out of there! God punish all of you! God punish you! Now I want to show you that what a man can do, a woman can do it even far better! Useless man! Now you want to take my father's plot of land because my father is late. Can you imagine? My sister.
What is it? Hey, is it not Okulide? Okulide called some boys to come clear our father's piece of land without nobody's permission. What for? Uncle, if we have lost our father, did we lose our brother too? What's the meaning of that nonsense? See, tell them all, go and warn these people in this village that I am back. I, your sister, Barrister Chiwendo, also Nabike is back. Only many hand at this village, that person will receive it hot from me. Tell them that I am back, Esquire. If you don't hear, you see anyhow. Unganga. Nonsense. Help me carry my box. Carry your bag, please. I am very angry. I just returned.
Carry your bag, let's go. No, bring it on. You're calling me a woman. I want to punish you.
Nonsense. I am back. If you go anyhow, I will sue you. Uncle there, I will sue you and send you to prison.
Let's go.
I am back.
No, let me see you here again. No, useless man.
You have a barrister, a lawyer for that matter.
Let's go, please.
My
brother, without any official notice or apology.
I want to really thank you very much, brother. Thank you for your putting me in line, you know, connecting me to the people that gave me the contract that made me who I am today. I followed all your direction and your footsteps and it yielded fruits. I still owe you a lot.
No. Arinze, you're my brother, so you're very welcome. The thing is, you know, life has taught me something. Whenever you have opportunity, you grab it. And once you grab it, you'll be a man.
Honestly.
And that's what you did. Oh, that's exactly what you did.
I couldn't have done it without you. You are indeed a brother.
It's my pleasure all the time, Arinze.
Thank you very much.
No problems at all. Anyways, having said that, what is your next plan now?
Yes, you know, I'm thinking I have to go for now.
Of course.
So now that I have made it, I want to go bring my 2 sisters over to start staying with me. Their brother cannot be rich and they'll still remain poor and suffering. I want to bring them over, set them up with something, whatever it is, and just make sure that the family is earning and everybody is occupied and productive and going ahead.
That's a very good one.
Yeah.
A very, very good one. Anyways, you know you have my number all the time. Anything that has to do with
Definitely.
you, I'm there.
Definitely. I'll
Just
call
me and no official notice, no apologies. I didn't see your house. Look at the cars. Yeah?
Thank you so much. Thank you
That's
so much.
okay. There's no problem, Mariz. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you. Anyways, there's something else we'll have to discuss later. Anyways.
Okay.
Nollywood must apologize to me with a very big goat. Else, I will personally report this matter to Igwe. No. Nobody should tell me to calm down. Do you know the gravity of her sin? Number one, she called me a thief. She pushed me down and I hit my waist on the ground. As if that one is not enough. She chased me with a cutlass that she will kill me. Just Nancy, just baby Nobella. I just took a tiny little, just call the pack on we found them. On we found them.
Uncle, why are you such a liar? You are a big liar now. Why are you talking like this?
Shut up. Because of these days, you don't have respect and value for elders. For our custom and tradition. For a girl like Chinoyelu to put an elder.
And a titled one for
exactly. Yes, a surviving head of their family. For that matter. Calling him a thief. Why? My people, please, let us not conclude this matter in a haste. The girl in question is denying that she never laid a hand on a chair. Secondly, that she did not call him a thief. All she was trying to do is to correct the chair. That the chair has no right whatsoever to trespass in the land her brother inherited from their late parents. That's what she said she did. And from all the evidence here before me, I don't see anything she has done wrong.
Oh God, no. Just listen to yourself. You can imagine this little girl telling me that I should have taken a permission from her before making use of my late brother's property. One branch, a woman for that matter.
Hello.
Okono. Okono.
They are Okono Kedi. So you are supporting all this young girl to insult and disrespect the elders. Ogini.
Greetings, my elders. Honestly, I am disappointed and shocked, just like my older sister here is. Listening to all these fabrications coming from my own uncle, Mr. Ude. If I had not witnessed half of this case, I would have believed you in place of my sister. But the truth is always transparent. We cannot accept to fill our cups with lies simply because the truth is bitter. We can't do that.
Did you hear that? Even you, little Chinwe, insulting me before me and elders. Eh?
I totally object to that, Uncle. I never used that exact word. Neither did I directly imply so. You make that up yourself. And to further adjudicate on my older sister here, who at this very moment owned the right as my client, she will not pay a dime to anybody as compensation. Concerning this case, with this and more, I would rather take this case straight to the Igwe's palace, just like you utterly suggested, for proper investigations and more listening. Having said this, I rest my case.
Ude, have you heard her? Reply.
Also,
Speak back now. Reply.
Look Uyo, look police station, look court, the charge office, the prison.
yeah, Chinwe can't go again.
Mr. Ude, point of correction. It is not law. It is called law. Failing to pronounce my profession properly will attract a charge of assault. That is to say, I will see you in court.
Yeah.
Do you know? Hey!
Our days of sufferings are over.
Yes, sir! Did you
God
hear
has
that?
blessed us.
Yes!
God has indeed blessed us.
Wait. Is this, where did you now carry your friend's car now?
No, it's my car.
It's a white car.
This is machine!
No more suffering.
This is the time.
This is
my
machine!
colleagues.
Machine!
Hey, one more.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Meet my friends here. Obele Nwana Agbagumbo. These are my sisters. Yeah.
Welcome. My name is Barrister Chinwe.
Oh, okay, the one you talked about.
What are Uncle them doing?
There
in our
is
compound?
issue at hand.
What is that?
They want to take our land. So come and help me ask them. Is it by spiritual or physical or financial?
They want to
way?
take which
How do you want to take it?
I would sue
Because
them.
we have arrived.
You cannot take
In
what
full
is
blood
rightfully
and flesh. So what are you saying? You say you want to take our land. How do you want to take it?
No, I will sue Uncle. Uncle, I will see you in court.
Culture, see their faces. Very good.
See them here. Oh yeah, talk. Oh yeah.
So what did you say is going on here?
They want to take our land. What is happening? The cat got your tongue. Oh yeah, talk. How do you want to take it? Because my brother is here. How do you want to take it? Physically, spiritually, or financially? Talk. How?
Uncle?
Talk now. I be the cat got your tongue. How do you used to speak it? Talk.
Uncle, speak.
Keda mean Kecho. Uncle Keda mean Namun Kecho. Which of my father's land are you after? You have all gone dumb?
I can't hear you.
Have I made another wrong choice in life? What was I thinking when my late brother's daughter Nonyalo confronted me about this land issue the other day? Why did I not simply apologize and calmly ask for permission? All this would have rested for good. She might say yes or no, but definitely would not stir up any trouble. Greed. Look at where it has led us. Arinze, whom everyone never thought will amount to anything good in life, at least not this big, is now a wealthy man. Even little Chinwendo, now a lawyer. Obviously, I am no match for them. And the possibility of them forgiving me and the risk of losing face with them is so high. But wait, how did Arinze acquire so much wealth within a short period after his father's mysterious death? How?
They have fine houses here.
Yeah, that's a city for you.
Hi! Look at that one. My sister, you've not seen anything yet. You people just left me in the village.
That's why I came to pick you guys, so that you come and
This is very bad, though.
stay with us and enjoy a bit of what we enjoy. Sipe, mwa.
I still remember. Oh my goodness.
Yo, it's so good to have the family together once again.
Oh yes.
Yeah, at least our name is Yoyibo now.
You know?
The guy is choosing Miri Village.
Don't forget you said you will buy us here. Those long ones.
Don't worry. Tomorrow I'm taking you girls to the mall.
You're just getting a choice.
I'm taking you to the mall.
I've suffered enough.
Hey!
Oh my God. I can't stop looking at these houses.
Yes, so.
Wow.
Big city girls. Loading.
Yes, so.
Oh, brother, this your guy is fine.
And it's big old.
There are still other cars at home. I go to Ifofe.
They have car for market too.
Yes, now there's a kind of.
What happened to my leg? What happened to Inaga bike?
You think I'll let you use your leg to go anywhere in this city?
Inaga now bike.
No.
This one is city.
There is no
city.
Inaga here. I get to walk.
Hey.
Yes, so God has done it. It's been a while.
Hey.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming.
I'm done suffering.
Hey.
Tired of suffering.
Look at that tower I was telling you about. That's about 36-story building.
You know what?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, and that's the stadium. Match in Niana Bango Sulu, that's the stadium.
AFCON,
yes.
Premier League.
That's the
So,
stadium.
Okocha Wiki no here now.
No, that's
My brother, you have made it.
He will be sleeping here now.
Yeah,
He's a
comes around.
footballer.
When there's a tournament or a match, you'll see him there.
Wow.
Yeah.
My sister, we have made it. We have made it.
Hi. My brother, wonderful. Oh, I love you so much.
I love you too, my sister.
Big man is big on you. See how my brother is shining now.
Hi. Woo! You don't be oh yeah oh.
Now welcome.
Hey! This is cathedral. What is this? This is a mansion. Oh. Look at our mansion. Oh. Is this our house?
It's our home.
Ha! Who has that one up? The one up.
Yes, sir.
2 flats, everything, our own. What of the ones behind? Our own. Hey! We have a mansion. Oh. We have a Rome. This is Rome.
This is huge.
This is. Oh my goodness! This house is massive. Oh. Hey! People of Anyocha, come on! My brother has a mansion. My brother has a mansion. We have a cathedral. I mean, who would have thought that we will sleep in a cathedral? In Rome.
What do you mean a cathedral?
This is heaven. What are you saying? See here, before we enter here. Oh yeah. Remove your slippers. No. Before you go inside here, you have to remove. Remove your slippers. This is heaven. Angels cannot wear slippers. You know, the Mozinaga. Mama, baby. No sand. We don't need to dent this house. Oh yeah, you. No, you clean. Dust your leg here. Dust it. Papa. I wish Papa was alive. Look at mansion. Look at heaven. Papa, Apo heaven on Kaka, heaven also.
It's okay, Noye.
This is heaven. I wish Papa was alive.
It's okay, Noye. God knows best. And I believe Papa is proud of us wherever he is now. Okay?
I wish Papa hadn't left that day. Maybe he would have still been alive and still with us in this mansion. It's true. How can only us stay here?
It's okay. It's the will of God.
The house is huge.
I wish he hadn't left home that very day. Papa would have still been with us. He would have still been with us.
You made me proud.
Arise, that's what it's for Papa now. What? Hey, what? Arise, Papa, tell Arise to keep. He just finished his own portion. You want to eat your own. Arise, I'll bite.
Stop! What is the problem?
Papa, just the food I left for you now.
Arise, so if you don't want to take care of someone else, you cannot take care of your sisters as a man.
No, I should starve to death because I'm a man.
No, me, I should starve to death. Me and Papa should starve to death now. Eh? Arise, get off with your serious.
No.
He's even eating. I put 2 meats inside that one and he's eating it. I gave him 1 meat. Now he wants to eat 3 meats.
Arise. No, allow me to take care of this. Don't worry.
That's what you always say. Don't worry.
All these things will later be a thing of the past.
You see, I am trying to survive by any means necessary so that I can raise money and you and your brother will start up something. Eh? Your sister is in school. Are you hearing me? You see, your brother have dropped out from university program too. Don't take this to heart. Eh?
So what are you going to eat now?
So, don't worry about me. I will try to come back early. Whatever I made from that my artisan work, I'll take it home. We'll prepare something very fresh. Madam, you see, you just remind me of your mother. Eh? Your mother is just kind of a peaceful woman who is always taking care of me. And that's what you're doing all the time. Eh?
We're not allowing you to take care of you.
No, it is. Everything will be fine. Let me quickly move. You know, Ogajo usually go there to draw all the customers to himself.
So let's go, eh? Okay.
Don't pick up quarrel with anybody.
Papa, I'll
What will I buy for you in case I see something? I know you like granite, eh?
Bread. Granite and bread. Bye, come back early, oh! Alice! 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 Did you see him?
Is he not yet back?
He's not back. He's not. Did you check at his usual spot?
Yes, I went to the site. His co-workers told me he went out to check out some building sites and they assumed he came back home from there since he didn't return to the site.
Yeah. What is going on? This is unusual. This is unlike Papa.
Where could Papa be? He doesn't stay out this late in the day. It is sure now.
Hi.
Let's just assume he'll come back because I got us come this one, no?
It's getting dark.
Yeah, that's my problem. Papa doesn't stay out this time. Hey! This man, where is Papa? Eh? Don't cry, come, let's just keep asking.
Where are we going to buy?
Let's just keep asking, don't cry. Hey! Don't worry. Find him. Don't worry. Find him.
Where is Papa, brother! Brother, where is Papa? Okay, let me go and look.
No, Papa will be fine. Calm down. I've spoken with the police. They say he will come back. They're on it.
Police?
Yes.
Can you call him on the phone?
He didn't go with his phone.
Why did you take his phone? Why did you take Papa's phone?
How could I have known Papa was going to go missing now?
Sonny, why didn't you go with Papa? You always with Papa.
They have assured us that Papa will come back safe. Let us trust the police, okay? He just came back. Don't get worked up. Let's go inside.
We cannot go and look for him.
No. He'll come back. That's what they said. They'll get him back. They have sent out a search party. They have put out words. They are looking for him. They are combing the whole of the place looking for him.
Oh, Papa, now.
Don't worry.
We are in the middle of the place. When I wish you gone, the two of his friends. And who is going to
Well, nobody has been able to give us information about this useful question.
Okay.
But what could be the reason of our brother not coming home for his children? And I heard he doesn't have phone. At least one could have placed a call.
No, he has a phone actually. This is his phone. Just that on the day he left, he did not go with it because I went with this phone in search of a job.
That is the problem. How do we find him now?
The police says they have put out words and they have sent search parties to comb the area and see if they can find him.
No one trusts the words of the police in this our time again. They will tell you they are on top of it. And actually they are not doing anything until someone romances their pocket.
Hi. I just hope and pray that nothing bad happens to my only brother.
Uncle, nothing bad has happened to him. Nothing will happen to him.
My son, that will leave a very deep vacuum that will be hard to fill if you will understand what I'm saying. Mobonega water. Hi. My children, it's 1 week now since we performed the burial rites of your father, as tradition demands, even though no one knows his whereabouts or what happened. But you see, the state government through the police department had already declared them dead. So I urge you to go living your life as we wait for a miracle news. Let's see what the gods will do.
Thank you, Uncle. I just want to thank you for your support and words of encouragement since the disappearance of our father. Actually, you are right. I think it's time we moved on with our lives. That's why I have decided to go to the city and join my friends in the line of business and see what I can make out of my life. Nonye here says she would stay back in the village to keep an eye on the tailoring business she started before her father's disappearance. But Chinwe will be going back to school to complete her law studies.
My son, this is a nice decision, knowing well that you are now the man of the house. And very soon, your sisters, they will all get married as suitors are coming to ask their hand in marriage. And that reminds me the issue of you also planning to settle down as the man of the house to keep your father's clinic going.
Yes,
because
Uncle.
time waits for nobody.
That's true, Uncle. Actually, it's part of the reason I'm going to the city. So I'll see how much I can make out of my life so we can start the process of settling down and making sure that everything is in place. Nonye and Nonye basically will still be around the village to take care of the house and her business, but Chinwe will be going to school soon to complete her studies.
Nice one. At least your father will be proud of you people wherever he is.
Thank you, Uncle. There is no police station I did not go to. I kept going to different police stations trying to see if I would come up with any information. Up till the time I left the village for the city, I was still going to police stations. When I got here, I continued until I traveled abroad to execute the contract that got me this through the help of my friend. And when I got back, I still continued, yet no clue. Now that you both are here, I believe we'll still keep searching and asking and see if anything will come up.
Well, it's okay. At least God has finally answered to our prayers.
Yes.
Happy celebration.
Yes, so we now have a lawyer in the family. Organic and Ofunwa. Ofunwa. Omwa.
Omena cash.
Ofunwa.
Omena dollar. And thanks to my ever-supporting sister. Thank you. I am so happy. May God bless both of you. What would I have done without you two? Like I made in a low green and come market. Thank you so much. And my brother, I am so proud.
You're welcome, my darling sis. You know what? This calls for celebration. So you both get into your rooms. In fact, I'm going to join you. I'm going to my room also. We freshen up. We're all going out for shopping. So we change this.
Remember what I told you in the motor?
What's that?
That long one now.
Hey.
That long hair.
Oh, the one you called Bow Street. You're getting it. You're getting it. Oh, my
Hey!
God,
I'll get it. Let's go.
Up we go.
hurry up, please.
Hey! Oh, no one name. Omena cash. So, what's the catch?
Yeah, and I was so happy when I called you. You told me you're presently in town. Yeah. You're asking what's the catch? There are some other good reasons I do call sometimes.
I never said there isn't any at all. You've always wanted to know how fast I will get here once I'm done with law school. So I go again. What's the catch, Johnson?
Well, there's a file of an ongoing case I'm involved in of human trafficking and missing persons. So the two persons behind these crimes for years have been arrested. But the very law firm assigned to this case happens to be the very law firm I know very well. I'm not sure they will do justice to these victims. So I need someone I can trust.
What has this got to do with me?
You know, you were one of the best promising and brilliant young students I know during your law school. As I noticed during your research training visit to our department. So I believe people like you should be, initiated fast into the system so that you help us to fight and combat crimes.
I am still trying to find myself in this case.
I approved it to one law firm. And they agreed you should work with them. And if everything works as planned, you'll be one of the prosecuting legal counsels to work on this case. Therefore, I need someone I can trust.
I need to pee.
Yeah, you been complaining about that. Hurry up.
Don't touch my stuff.
I will touch them.
Brother, thank you so much. These are so nice.
You are my only sisters. I'll do anything for you. I hope you like them too.
I love them.
Did you later try out that blue? A long time ago we agreed, okay? You cannot be seeing Papa.
No. I told you not to.
You know, there is something about people missing people they love. Considering the fact you just left the village for the city, I know you're missing Papa's presence. When you think about people, you have them around. You did not see
No, don't do it. I know what I saw. I saw Papa in the restroom.
Okay.
Let's
go. I'll go with you. So
I will just take this your stuff.
Let's go outside. This
your pastor in the village is beginning to deceive you. How can you see Papa? Do you see ghosts these days? This is city or this is township, not village.
I cover my brother, my sister, myself with the blood of Jesus. I come against every plan.
Hey!
I come against it by the power in the mighty name of Jesus. I come out with the blood.
I come
out with the name of Jesus. I speak on the blood of Jesus.
I will just take your things, so I will take your things and add it to mine.
Come. No, go and peace. I made fun. No.
This is really bad.
I'll treat yourself.
You know what I saw?
You know what you saw?
I saw Papa.
Stop saying this. You'll be doing like going a cleaning man before now. They'll think something's wrong with your medulla.
It's her first time in the city. That's why she's behaving like this. Village girl, but her city.
Let's go.
There's no Papa here.
I saw him.
You are living in a village.
My son, he was standing there. He was standing.
I don't put that without my knowledge.
I don't know. Maybe. There's no Papa here.
Good day, my friend. Okay. Thank you, man. Okay.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine, no. But, my good friend, okay, him. This one you are happy this morning. I've never seen you in this mood. Or is it that your goat has delivered another set of triplets?
Far from it. I was just coming from Onowu's house.
Onowu?
Yes.
Why
will I be happy if something is wrong? Everything is fine. I was just coming there to pay Onowu the loan I borrowed from him. I got the money. So immediately I got the money, I rushed to Onowu's house and paid the money. Thank God to your brother's son, Arisa.
Arisa?
Yes, Arisa.
My brother's son. What happened?
You don't know. Despite the fact that I lost faith from your brother's children, that day that they came, you left. So Arisa gave me and Mazi Okon money, 100,000 naira. Sum of 100,000 naira.
Hi. Honestly, I'm totally disappointed. If I had known that you are this hungry, at least I would have given you some yams from my farm to sell and get the money and settle no. Huh? Instead of you ridiculing yourself before these children because of some few notes. Hey, Uncle, my friend.
I don't understand. So somebody should not enjoy free gift again. Free gift, you left, you squeeze your face and left that day. Why are you quarreling?
Oh, wait, you call it a free gift?
Oh, free gift.
And we are free gift?
Yes.
Have you taken time to ask yourself how Arinze got his money?
Uda, I see you are becoming so evil in people's success.
But more, no problem. Just be eating daily until you will start vomiting. Maybe more as you go.
You was there, you are squeezing your face because they gave us money. 100,000.
I told me money in Guinea. So Arinze nyege go inalo.
Manabu.
Daily. I want engage.
I become more blessing for my happiness. Be my own. Hey! Oh boy, I mean they watch their cow. Everybody knows. Come, now they use me, they play. Not try am. I pass that level. Everybody knows na me dey wash am. Still be my own. Hey! If na dey talk, I dey put for your plate, put for my plate, fit no give you chop. I be not be so born a singer. Now let me go here now.
Madam, why are you screaming?
My eye won't see my back here. You won't see this here. You won't see her. You won't see.
What happened, my friend? I don't have time for you.
You see this car? They sing my song. This car starts. I not talk. I still say now play the car. They follow me. They play.
Nah? I don't have time for your jokes. What happened?
Madam, this one not be joke. Second one again. This car starts. Now when I start to holler, this car quiet too. Yes.
There's no one in the car. What are you saying?
Madam, I know. Now only me dey here. What I dey try tell you be say, e be like say, oh na papa spirit wey una dey talk about. Na I come start this car. I dey tell you.
Ghost?
Now wetin I dey talk be that.
Ghost in this compound?
Madam, now wetin me dey talk?
Are you sure?
Madam, this one wey dey say na this compound. Wetin happen na for inside this car? This car now just start by himself and himself. As I dey watch am, na so the thing start. He off. He start again.
Are you sure?
Oh, if I'm not sure, I'm not go tell you now. I'm not go tell you what I'm not sure. I dey better sure. Nonye. Madam, make I leave you first. Nonye. Only me just did it. I not fit.
Nonye, tell this guy to get back to his duty post. Madam. Right now.
Madam, make I tell you, even though not my two leg, it's not possible. I not go enter this compound. Make my eye come see wetin me see for inside that compound. Nah.
What did you say? You claimed you saw a ghost inside that red car. I went in there. I did not see any ghosts. Worry, you do not have evidence to your claims. Nonye, talk to this guy now.
Madam, who should be say I not get evidence? I not claim am say e happen. This one my eye see am. I dey wash car by himself and himself, both himself start. Boom. Akpodo, the car come stop. I come dey wash again. The car come start again 2 times. You dey tell me say, madam, e be like say na that one na papa spirit. What una dey talk about? Na that spirit me dey think say na him start that car. I no wan make that spirit come start me. Na wetin make me say I no dey go inside.
Worry, can we go inside so you tell me everything?
Madam, make me and you go inside. Make I tell
all
you
of
more.
us go inside.
Make all of us go inside. The one when I dey tell you not be more. You get the one when I go talk when pass more for this one. I don tell you so. Me, I no dey go inside that house again. I no dey go. Whereas, not be una employ me. I wan dey here to employ me come back. Not be una, I no be una. I no dey go inside.
No, you believe him? What is wrong with both of you? How come you are the only ones seeing ghosts in this house? Why have I not seen it? Why have I not seen it? I don't believe these cock and bull stories. No, tell this fool to get inside. Get back to work, else you'll be fired.
Let's go inside.
Madam, see go!
Where's the ghost? Where is this? Where's the ghost? Where is the ghost? Where is this?
Worry, this is no jokes.
Na so you dey fear? Upon not all the old grammar where you dey package for my head. Na so you dey fear? No, go inside now. I dey tell you wetin I see with my 2 big eye. Wey big like this, you dey say na lie. Go inside. Go now. No, I don't see anything. Go. Sorry, oh.
No, yeah.
Supernatural mystery is that in this century? Are you both trying to tell me that you saw a missing father's ghost or spirit or what? Writing that thing on the wall?
I'm not saying I saw Papa's ghost writing it. I said I came out to watch the telly. And then I saw a ghost. just like in Papa's image. Standing at the door, just like my dream that I used to tell you about. Standing there, then I screamed, the ghost vanished. You saw it now, that was when Chinwe came in. Chinwe came in and saw the writing too on the door.
How are you sure that you even saw any ghost or apparition or whatever? And why are you the only one that keeps seeing this ghost in this house?
Are you now insinuating that I'm hallucinating or something?
That is what you're doing. Are you?
Understand? What are you saying? I know what I saw.
Listen to me. Listen. I do not know why you're the only one that keeps seeing this ghost. And in any case, next time you see this, do not associate my name with it or whatever. Because this joke, you're beginning to take it too far.
Can you just explain to him? We saw your name written there. I'm not hallucinating. I know what I saw. Your name was boldly written there. Tell him I saw a ghost. Tell him.
Brother, honestly, I think we should not get angry over this. I think we should calm down and look into this to know where all of this is coming from, or even to find more answers. This might be a clue to the question we've been searching for. I was scared and confused myself. But given that this is the second time in a week this is happening, but they have to do something. It's becoming alarming.
I'll get to the bottom of this. I promise you.
I was made to understand that some time ago you once had this suspect in your custody in a case of missing person. Am I correct, Inspector?
Yes, Agent Johnson, that is true for the record. But as the investigation towards the case continued, and to show that no connection to the accused suspect in question, my department was instructed to drop the charges and grant them bail.
I see. By what chance? Who gave these instructive orders to drop those charges, Inspector?
Honestly, sir, I can't disclose that information right now. Please, feel free to take that case to my superior. I think that I might talk to you more on that.
I see. Okay.
Thank you.
Nane. You're lost in thought, okay? What is it?
Chinwe. Yes. I really feel something is not right here.
I still do not understand you.
You know, few days before Papa's demise, I overheard him cautioning Arinze about a particular company he started, keeping.
Okay.
Papa seriously warned him to stay away from this person, to disassociate himself, excommunicate himself from this person,
okay.
That he has a questionable character.
Over my dead body, will it be heard that my only son is seen around this place, having something to do with Tachi, the Nana's son, that notorious boy that is always up to evil with other criminal acts? That is who I was told that you now mingle with Arinze. Papa, I'm just so disappointed at you. I'm disappointed that you, as my father, you don't even know what I can do and what I can never do. It has nothing to do with what you can and what you cannot do. It has something to do with the damage that it will cause you and the reputations that you have built.
I am not hanging out with him for any other reason other than the fact that he has a contact I need, and it's only through him I can get it.
That's good. The contacts that we have, to hell with those contacts that he have with other good intentions you have towards him. All the contacts he have is dead as far as I'm concerned. With other good intentions you want to move towards him is dead. I forbid you from moving towards that direction henceforth. Are you hearing me? I don't want to see you around Kachi again. I ask, is this clear?
I've heard you, Papa.
You've heard me. Good. Now go inside my room. Go to the drawer there. Pick that money and repair that soup. That Sienna has been dead, lying fallow. And your eyes have not looked towards that direction. Now, repair that Sienna and start hustling like every other person. Am I not talking to you? I said go inside there, pick the money and repair that Sienna.
Papa, me, I'm just sick and tired of this whole thing, no. Because I cannot speak to the suffering in this village. I'm tired of poverty, no. Madam Atoka, no. Allow me to go and hustle like others. You will not let me go. Ima Georgia. You tell me to go and repair Sienna. Okay, you got to repair. Where don't boy idea? You buy a car you cannot maintain, you'll be looking for your son to repair Sienna, asking me to go and be driving Kabu in the village. Muhammad take you for this thing, no. You have to give me this thing, or you get anything again.
It's because you don't have foresight. This Sienna has been lying down here. The Sienna I abandoned is because I am now giving you that eye. You cannot use your brain. Anofia, you are here struggling food with your sisters. If I don't open your eyes to something, you will not do it. Look at the Sienna I abandoned, you cannot even...
Now, years after, Papa, who mysteriously got missing, started appearing in my dreams. He started appearing to me in reality, in a ghost form. I mean, how do we explain this? Screaming Arize's name that he should free his soul. How?
Are you trying to imply what I am thinking right now? Sis, that Arize knew what happened to our father and he kept it all to himself all this while?
Chinwe, honestly, Arize is in a better position to answer this question. Yes.
Arize.
Okay, you don't look bright at all. This is not your usual self. Or is it because of the trip? Is it that sudden? Huh?
It has got nothing to do with the trip, my brother. Honestly, the drama that is brewing in my household at this point is something I cannot fathom at all. The kind of drama my sisters are bringing into my home. Can you imagine my sisters telling me they see my missing father's ghost appearing to them at random? Who does that? Signaling and haunting them? I do not have an explanation for this. I came back home earlier today, I saw an inscription on the wall in writing. I don't even know what to make of it.
Poor people. Sometimes these poor people let poverty affect their mentality. I don't understand. But the thing is that I never really expected that your sister would be part of them anyways. How come? I don't understand that. Hi, Jesus Christ. This is so funny. Arize. Anyways, that's one of those things anyways. Meanwhile, I didn't even bother to ask you what was written.
Arize should save his soul or something like that. I don't understand the meaning of that. Sometimes I just regret bringing them to stay with me.
Don't say that.
No, Arise, don't say that. That's a normal thing with the family. I myself, I have some time, I start doubting the concept of marriage. That institution called family, sorry. I start having issues with it. Family, sorry. This is so funny. But the thing is, if you ask me, what you need to do is take your sister to the hospital. I'm serious. She needs that evaluation. Because to me, this feels like more like a mental health issues.
I thought she called the thing with all seriousness.
And you too, you are bothered, which means you are actually taking it seriously.
You needed to be there when she tells you these things.
This is becoming funny. Anyway, it's not funny anymore. I think what you should do now is just to focus on your next trip. I've not even... In fact, let's talk about something else. When are you even planning?
We already concluded that I've told them to book me for the 16th. Yeah, to and fro. Then when I'm done, but I'll keep you updated here.
Now you're talking. It's not telling me about ghosts.
Because Ika, I got to give me this thing. Like, how can you not know that? Okay.
I wonder why Chimo is not picking my constant calls. I just want to find out if she has given my proposal a thought. She's still not picking. I don't know how to reach out now to her. I don't even know her brother's house.
Listen and listen very good. If my brother comes back to this house, make sure you call me on the phone before you open that gate for him.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can go.
Okay.
Yes, hello. Okay, thank you.
Chinwe. So why didn't you tell me before making such move?
You were asleep and I didn't want to wake you. Meanwhile, that was the best time for me to get into his room and lay my hand on anything, even if it's important document, anything I could just lay my hands on to pin him down.
You just talk like you don't know Arinze. Arinze is a smart man. If there is any document as important as it is, especially now that he knows that we are suspecting his source of income, come on now.
I wish I can just lay my hand on something, an evidence to pin him down. Arinze can't be innocent. He knows something about our father's disappearance. What does Arinze do for a living? What's the source of his income? It's alright. We'll get to the root of this.
Exactly. And that root is prayer. Chinwe, Ephesians 6:12. For we struggle not against the flesh and blood, but against principalities and power. Chinwe, this battle is bigger than us. We need God at this point. Chinwe, you need to kneel down and let us pray. Let's join hands together and pray. You don't understand I'm seeing this thing from a different perspective.
Please hold it right.
Chinwe, we need to calabash. We need to pray.
Can you just stop? Count me out. For me, it is legal. If it's not legal, count me out. See, I don't do this religious thing with you. Do it alone, please.
Chinwe, this battle is bigger than us. This battle is bigger than the Supreme Court itself. This battle is for God.
I will sue him to court. It has to be legal from head to toe. Please, do your prayers alone. Please, count me out. Do you hear me?
This is highly spiritual.
Money, please.
Chinwe, we need to battle this spiritually.
Just leave me alone.
Chinwe, I know what I'm saying. So they don't visit you in your dream and take your head off. Father, take hold of shield and buckler and rise up to my defense. Father, Arinze is after my life and that of my sister. Father, whatever Arinze is sending against us, Father, send it back to sender 1,000-fold, oh Lord. Father, arise and fight my battle. Arise and fight Arinze. Fight Arinze wherever he is and whatever he's bringing to us. Father, fight him. He will see no peace. Father, as he has said that he wants to slay us, Father, slay him. Slay him and butcher him in pieces. Father, slay Arinze. Father, Arinze will see no peace. In Jesus' name. Baba hum. Rabba sinderererere. Kata Jehovah, my maker. Father, oh Lord, contend with those who contend with me. Oh yeah, fight against those who fight against me. Jehovah, take hold of shield and buckler and fight for my defeat. Oh!
Which kind of compound be this? Wait oh! I no go fit just dey make I dey enjoy myself for this compound. Eh? I go just dey something go move vim. E go come again vim. E just be like say only me go dey inside compound. E go be like say I dey like 2 or 3. I no understand this compound o. E be like say I go resign o. Eh? Hey, the small money wey dem dey pay me make my head no go enter. Sure? Now wow. Wait first, wait. I never drink this evening now. I never drink. Na only food I don eat. I never smoke. But wait first. Na normal thing I dey talk now. This one no be say something dey hide me. I dey normal. Ogene biko. I no wan die o. No be me cause am o. Eh? Ogene biko.
I blame myself for bringing them from the village to the city. That is why they have the guts to accuse me of killing my own father.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
You are next in line.
Did you hear him? Did you hear him? That we are next in line. Hey!
It's enough.
It's okay.
I don't want that. I don't want that here, please.
Said. Okay? But you see this matter. I, Chinonyalum also Nabike, will get to the root of this matter. Even if it takes the last drop of my blood, I will see to it. I will see to it.
Mange, what is this?
Sit down. And you, Go. Oh yeah, go.
Mukane blue bottle. Bring it on! Bring it on!
What is that?
Drag it! You want to kill us?